Hey, what's up guys? JP here with J.P.BBQ. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a very delicious raisin and pecan coleslaw. So you guys stay tuned and I'll show you how we get this coleslaw put together. Let me show you the ingredients that we're going to be using to put this salad dressing together for our coleslaw that we're going to be making. So very simple ingredients. Here they go. Hellmann's mayonnaise. We're going to be using some kosher salt, black pepper, apple cider vinegar. We have about roughly half a cup of chopped pecans and about half a cup of raisins. We got two ingredients. Well, of course, we got to have coleslaw and we got to have sugar. Now, if you want your coleslaw to taste really good, it's a good idea to probably get you some really good sugar. I like buying the pure sugarcane granulated sugar. Gives it that little extra crispiness to the coleslaw. Okay, so what we need is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Got my little teaspoon right here. All you need is a little dab of it. 1/4 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon of our pepper. Two tablespoons of sugar. Get my sugar right over here, get all up in your face. One, two, and it calls for a cup of mayonnaise, and I kind of like eyeball it, but you know, about 3.5 of these tablespoons is what all you really need. So 1, 2, 3, yeah, one more for good measure, 4, and we are done with our mayonnaise. Gonna add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And you can always add more vinegar if it's not to your tasting, and give it a good whisk. And I say it's about done. It's ready to go. So might as well go ahead and throw in our pecans and our raisins. A lot of people don't like eating coleslaw that they get at the store. Yeah, I don't know, at restaurants. It's probably been sitting there for a while. Homemade coleslaw with this recipe, you can't go wrong. And once we get these ingredients mixed up good, all that's left is to add the coleslaw. I get my coleslaw already shredded up at the store. They do a good job. Just give it a good mix, and you will have yourself some very delicious coleslaw. Doesn't take long to put this together. This is probably one of the easiest recipes that you can make. Let me see if we can find them raisins down in there. There we go. Raisins are coming through. And we are done, guys. That's it. Let's give it a good little, let's give it a taste test. See if it is ready to go. And I'll grab me a spoon. Or a fork. One or the other. Oh, my goodness. Damn. There ain't nothing better than a homemade coleslaw, guys. Not really even homemade, you know, the lettuce or the cabbage was already shredded up. But very simple ingredients that you have at your house You can cook yourself a really fantastic side dish for your meal. Really delicious, especially the raisins and the pecans add that extra flavor to it. You can't go wrong. You serve this to your friends as a side plate, and they're gonna love you. But besides that, I appreciate you guys watching my channel. Hit that subscribe button over there. I'm not sure if it's over there or over there this time, but either way, if you like what I'm doing here, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and as always, feel free to share this video with your friends, and I'll see you on the next cookout.